welcome guys. So 43, welcome back to my GRE's math section 93674. So 43, which ask you tell you that there is an equation like this, and ask you about which of our following condition guarantee that the list has at least one root in the 0, 1 or open interval. So what we need is the since this is a continuous function, if I let f of x to be xn minus to 0 to n minus 1, this is continuous function. So a guarantee is that if f0 and f1, if one of them is positive, one of them is negative, then from the intermediate theorem there must be some point c which f of c is 0. So this is the property what we need to mention, what we need to guarantee. Okay, so f of 0 is 0 minus a lot of zeros, the remaining is minus a 0. So f of 1 is 1 minus ai from I to 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so the choice A say that the a naught is a0 is larger than 1, so basically tell you that f0 is smaller than 1, and the only number summation from a0 to n minus 1 is less than 1, so that means 1 minus summation ai is positive. So you have this, so basically the first one is correct. It guarantees that there must be some roots. Okay, and the second is f0 is less than 0, but f1 is also less than 0. There's no guarantee. And the third one is similar, that f0 is not positive, but f1 is negative. So this is okay, correct. So the answer is the first one and the third one. So we choose E. That's it. Simple. Okay, 44. Polynomial function, ask you about this. So it depends on how you want to solve it. Let me see. So I will use. Okay, I use Taylor expansion to solve it. I think this is much easier. Okay, so Taylor expansion say that p of x plus 3h is p of x plus p prime of x 3h, and the p double prime divided by 2 3h squared, and the px minus 3h is basically you change h to minus h, then you have this. Right. Okay, so basically if I add these two together, we have 2p of x plus p double prime of x 9h squared. So if we divide it by that minus 2p of x, then these term cancelled. And then we divided both sides by h squared. So this is h squared. There's all h cube term here, right? But all h cube term when divided by h squared is 0. When we take a limit, this is the answer. So the answer is D. Okay, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. That's it.